Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about Josephine knot. So let's get started. To make Josephine knot, we need two strands. Name them as A and B. Pick strand number B and fold it like this. Strand number A should be in between strand number B circle. Now name these strands like strand number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pick strand number A and over the strand number 1. Then under the strand number 2. Over strand number 3 and under strand number 4. Over strand number 5. So we already have a Josephine knot structure here. Now just tight everything like this and we have a Josephine knot. You can make Josephine knot by two strands. So the same thing, strand number B, fold it like this and strand number A should be in the center of strand number B loop. Now same as we have done before, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So pick strand number A over the strand number 1, under strand number 2, over strand number 3, under strand number 4 and over strand number 5. So this Josephine knot with the double strand. This is another type of Josephine knot in which we just made 3 loops. Take a strand and loop like this and then again like this. So you have a shape like this. Now pick this end and under this strand, under, over under, over, under. So pass through this and then again over and under like this. So the thing we need to follow is first under, then over, then under, then over, then under, over, under, over, under 5 times, and then we will just tight everything like this. And you will have a Josephine knot with 3 loops. We can do this with the double color also. So let's start with this. We will just bring everything together. First from here, this So here you can see 3 loops Josephine knot with 2 color strands. So we just learned Josephine knot with single and double colors, double loop and triple loop. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.